Men du... Now this is called encapsulation cleaning. Actually, bonnet cleaning leaves your carpet nice and dry. 95% dry as I leave. And today's new technology makes a whole difference. People are truly falling in love with these methods. Although we do offer hot steam clean with the truck mount if you prefer. But we also have this method. It's been out for a couple of years now. Not too many people are aware of this. So it's very important that you're aware of your options at Jones Multinet 514-704-3947 for an amazing quality service, green products. Check out our Facebook page. Look for the amazing comments that we have. You can also find us at www.jonesmultinet.ca.